I've heard this up there as well, you know.
Yeah, so it's personal for me, you know. And Church Soul is a place, Church is a place where it's special because it has given birth to some tremendous talent all over the world. Talents like Fancy Cat. I mean,
talent like IT.
You understand? That's a talent like Kino, like Rosa Rose. You understand? No, we're not saying. We don't want to say. So I'm glad you clarify that. Ask the question like that.
Yeah, you know what we got.
So
me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
So I give thanks to Debbie from the US.
Give thanks to Debbie, blessed love.
Yeah.
You see, give thanks to God that will always guide you to do this for you, know.
Yeah.
You will do a good job, you see. So you will do a good job for we and we can push out the job for the people. So give thanks, Debbie.
Yeah, so there's a Debbie sort out and makes it. Start with the barrel for the dream team members.
Respect Debbie.
So each man of the team can get something from this barrel.
Watch it.
So you have to always give thanks to Debbie from the US.
From the US.
Oh? Debbie from the US.
Debbie from the US. Pick up yourself in the Debbie from the US. May your food basket never empty. So I say, thing the journey just started, so you help out and you help out a lot. So I say,
alright, you are one. Yeah, so. So we give thanks, so at least
put them together, the one that we go together.
For the Christmas, so you know. Christmas present start give out now.
Christmas.
Yes, big up yourself, blessed.
Big up yourself again, Debbie. Blessed love, is it? The most I guide you and protect you through the COVID-19.
Oh, chef. Give me that there. We can go by the kitchen.
Come on, kitchen thing.
Knife says.
Put it right here.
Oh, this wow, chef. It's for the kitchen from Debbie, from the US.
Debbie from the US. Which part of the US? New York. Whoa! Twice, you know. Chicago. You are Debbie from Chicago.
Debbie from Chicago. Big up.
Yeah, man. What's it? Debbie from Chicago. From there, you have in Chicago Bulls.
Yeah, Michael Jordan.
So not the money, yeah. All my respect in Debbie from Chicago. Yeah, man. All my chop in the kitchen, I know. Because I never have a knife. So it happens, I know. All my respect, yeah. Whoa!
You got knife in colors.
Colors, the yellow, blue, white, red, whoa, red, blue, and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, different.
Debbie, we love you. We love you,
Debbie. See this?
Debbie, we love you.
See this? We love you.
Debbie, I'll Gin love you.
Yeah.
One team.
Dream team.
So the teamwork, dream work. That's the best saying.
Them say the dream team are putting a lot of hard work.
So never feed up.
Yeah.
Never feed up.
So they will look out for it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Man, hold up them man and tell them.
Debbie, give thanks to you, good blessing.
Thanks for everything and love and respect. Thank you very much.
One at a time.
Guys can't cook you now. Give thanks.
Yeah, hold on there.
Hold on.
Let's get that back and come back to show.
Come now.
Yes, Miss Debbie, you know. Thanks for you, good look at grocery, you know, and God bless you, you know. More love. Merry Christmas. And Happy New Year. More love. Blessing love, Miss Debbie. Is in give thanks for life, you know. Blessing love.
Debbie, I don't know, you know. Give thanks and blessing.
Hold on there.
Yeah, more love.
Debbie, give thanks, you know. More life, you know.
Yes, my one already with that.
Yeah. Hold on.
Debbie, bag heavy. You know, Debbie. We love you, Debbie. Christmas. May the Lord bless you and keep you, you know. May the Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. You see me, I say, give thanks to you now before you see it. So the work will push out from now. And it will go far from yourself. So Debbie, big up yourself.
Thank you, Richard.
Yes, I do know.
Respect and honor every time.
Yes, respect.
Thanks a lot, that's it.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it. You know, my blessings.
Blessing and love and respect.
Many blessings and many thanks to this, you know. I hope Father God keep you and your family them safe from the corona, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Thank you.
Thank you for your grace. Thank you for your talking. Thank you for your blessing. In Jesus' name.
Debbie,
big up yourself, enough love and respect and thanks.
There you find US, one love, you know, straight love, you know, all for respect, you know, for them goods there, you know. Yeah, man, straight beautiful love, devil from the US. One team. Yes, I straight love. Love the local support team, you know. Yeah, true, you know. Yeah, man, I hate that, man can't support, you know.
Show, like the show, Debbie from the US.
Debbie from the US. Yeah, good afternoon, good day. Man God, you know. Give thanks to you, man, Debbie. We not look for it, you know. We have to straight and give thanks to everything we do. Thanks to you, look back when we get and everything them to everybody, you know. Speak up everybody on the board when they come here. But them have come, God will make everybody just fit it. You know, give thanks to each other and make up, you know. One God, you know, one cheat, one team. Team, you know. Yeah, birthday that. Happy everything. Mota.
Big up, brother. One more time, one team.
Mota, Baruka, so take him up back.
Guess who missing? Watch out. We turn on the TV on TV. And guess who missing? Kino. Guess who missing? Kino. That's why they know the TVJ at the station. Oh!
Hey man, one Kino man, sweet and very Mikey, all family man. Hey man,
one thing.
You got Max man, no job in share, a party on the board man. Hey man, yeah man, I eat that shot.
Long day station, straight. Yeah, gain and the media, all the world.
Everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes in. All the donors, them all you know, subscribers to watch it. Yeah man, bless up on the second in. In this, one love.
Yeah, one love. Baby. Baby, I get the goodies, right?
Yeah.
Big up Debbie from the US.
Big up Debbie from the US. Thanks for the stuff. Don't know, God bless you always.
Thanks.
And everyone says something,
Everyone says songs.
Big up Debbie.
Yeah man, so give thanks and blessings and give thanks Debbie, for all of the stuff that we give to the team. Yeah?
Big up the USA, what's your name?
Debbie.
Big up the USA, Debbie.
Yeah. Big up Debbie from USA.
Big up Debbie from USA, yeah. Mix it on daddy.
Big up Debbie from USA. Big up Debbie from USA.
Shy, man.
Two up there, I don't know, represent.
Lem boy.
Yeah, represent.
You know, say, you know, say, him dope the road and the man them say him nice, say him shy or so. When him dope by him mother say him different. Big up the love base station. Because like him catch all everything you say. Nah, say it no.
Say it no.
Say big up love base station. Big up Debbie, you know. You see me I say, son. Get him mac and cheese, you know. So him love it, you see me I say. Make sure take out that first out of the bag, mac and cheese. So Debbie, yeah, me give thanks to the things that you know, you see. More love, you know. See me I say, the work of get stronger. See me I say, the work of get stronger. I may have a happy Christmas and prosperous New Year when it come, you know. You see me I say. So big up on yourself, set speed again. You see, all of the doing of them. We love all of go. We love goes out. We pray for you every day. Every day we pray. And Psalms a day keep the devil away. You see me I say, and we have a look at Psalms in the group too. We found the group, we name Psalms. And Christy. You see me I say Psalms. You see me Psalms a day. You see me I say, so we just want to big up everybody where do the thing, you see?
Yeah.
And Yankee and the crew, JJ, big up on yourself, Ellis family. Charm and Sandy, all of the donors.
Because I this is the first I come here really I don't interview you. So I never know say I never call out her name. You know, so Dennis, you don't know.
And the third way down.
Yeah. Oh, I got bail her, but I never bail now. Because I want to big up the island and say thanks for setting off the subscribers.
Yeah man, 100,000. Hold on. Yes.
103 and counting.
The reason why I don't see them because I'm socially distanced.
That's right. I have to do it that way.
From back to.
Alright.
I couldn't know why did I never mention back to. You understand? I went to Canada, I went to a place called Moko. Up in the corner. Whoever said they look at a place called Makati.
Yes, these are give this.
These are real places.
To my first ghetto personnel who used to come asylum and tell me which night I used to host at the asylum.
Okay.
See me? And then I come collect so it's a make sure I tell you it's how much pieces.
It's a KFC voucher.
KFC voucher, and this consists of
our producer is here checking.
Yes. Oh, yeah, give him on something then.
We're out of that thing, because we don't look for a rose and we're out of that thing. Who knows? You never know. You know what I mean?
Yes.
You never know. As a Fancy Cat's first giveaway.
Yeah.
Alright. I never follow and balance because I know anytime you see a plane, people, I'm tell you something. Anytime you see a plane with one wing, that's don't go on it.
That is it.
You understand? If you go in our audience for a show, I see a man with one and all clap, don't pay no mind, bro. I'm not gonna clap.
Not gonna do
you understand?
So don't feel that I'm not enjoying the show.
You understand what I'm saying? Some people have two eyes, but when they look at you, they might look at something at the same time. I'm not dissing anybody. I'm just saying that you have to pay attention.
So big up there, go.
You understand? Anyone that day, this is really touching. This is really important for me. I was driving and I saw a dog, right? One of the back legs, right? And then some dogs came and attacked him. And I was saying to myself, the dog didn't realize it. The dog was so cold to watch it. A tree like the one I'm living in, and then two dogs come rushing. And he couldn't defend himself. You know what I mean? So people, what I'm saying, that to say, know the time for sharing and caring.
Yes.
You cannot do that. So if you have a mask and somebody now lend, no, alright, listen, you can't lend somebody a mask. Look here, just like you can't lend toothbrush, you can't lend somebody a mask. You understand? They have to wear a fresh mask or give them a mask for Christmas. And it's like, look here, it's like easy first day talking about, of course, Jamaica Limited, KFC, and of course, Grace Foods for coming on board to support us, because without them, it would be impossible to keep this show. So we're going to welcome
our first guest.
Let me hold on the chair. You know, say we come from Jamestown. We come from Jamestown. We free the people with music. We free the people with music. With music, no music.
So this is not a time.
So you're seeing this face for the first time on our channel, but it's a regular on YouTube.
Yeah.
And then there you're gonna say, Dream Team! Dream Team! Round of applause.
None of that time to mighty Mr. Kino.
Yes, man, definitely. Yes, man. You know, I tell you something. Karen, big up herself. My wife said to me this morning, and just said, Trenchtown. I'm say, yeah, you know where I was in Trenchtown. But it's not say Kino. I'm say, yes, Kino. Why not say, yeah, man, Kino, and what he is doing? People, let me explain. Kino, he has started an initiative that he will tell us about. I'm going to ask him, let him just introduce himself and tell you what he's doing. Then we're going to tell you what we plan to do. That's the reason why Kino is here on our YouTube live here. Kino.
Yeah, so my name is Aquino Page, and I'm the founder of Kino Life in Jamaica. We run a charity where we try to help out the people in more deprived condition and the less fortunate. So here is where we organize with a group of friends that we grew up in the inner city with. So we're trying to get funding like from donors overseas. We try to support the less fortunate.
Right.
And so how has it been so far?
Great.
Praise the Lord.
Great.
But it could be better.
Yeah, it could be greater.
Right.
So opening for get greater.
Yes. So what have you done so far? So give me an example. How did it start? What was the first? What kick-started the whole movement?
Yeah, what started the movement? Well, the first project what we started with was Jinjin Donovan.
Right.
He was the first project we started with. The condition was very poor.
Well, tell us about him.
Basically, he's been paralyzed for like
that is important.
20 something, about 20 years now.
Wow, so he's in a wheelchair?
Yeah.
Right.
So
he has a wheelchair?
Yeah. Okay. Well, he have a wheelchair at the minute. So he's been paralyzed for 20 years, and the condition he was living in is like basically was outside. The condition was really deprived, like he was really poor.
Right.
So when time we really see the condition that he was living, like it touched me.
Right.
So before I was in a program called Jamaica Good Life,
right.
It was highlighting the positivity in the lifestyle and culture of the country.
Yeah.
So it's after that now that I branch off and decide I'm going to try to get a help for Jinjin.
Right.
So you know, we try to organize with a couple of friends who start with. So we have to big up to Marvin Morgan as well.
Right, yes.
And show up to Bibi,
yes.
And Robert and stuff. They were the one that we really started organizing for Jinjin.
Right.
We never happened straight away till long after.
Right.
So as soon as I branch off now from Jamaica Good Life, then realize, you know what? I'm Jinjin a highlight and see if we can get some help from him. So that's when I phoned him and said, Jinjin, now come check it.
Yeah.
But before, I done a video with a guy in Seaview with a guy, Asap Man. Yeah, with my wife.
What Asap Man do?
Himself, Asap.
So you know a circle will give you the name after what you do. You understand? So if you head big, you name big. If you fat, you name fat man.
I know this.
I circle, I know such a make and say, don't really mean nothing by it. You know what I mean? My brother always tell us, you know my brother with a long and a short and call him cock. I'm telling us, I mean him cock, and say, yeah, I mean him cock. Watch. So that's why. So Asap make.
Yeah.
Asap.
So Asap man, no, he was walking with a couple of Asap about 3 of them, and kind of tired and, you know, well sweaty. And I stopped him and I asked him, say, you want a drink? And he said, yes. And he was cooking some food at the same time.
Yeah.
So I kind of give him some food and sit down and give him drinks and everything. So put out that video, and someone from overseas named Mikey Flex called me and said, yo, you really like what you do.
Yeah.
And for just what you do, I'm going to send you 100 US.
Whoa.
And for yourself, so you can do what you want to do. So I turned to Mike Flex and I said, yo, you know my friend in Trenchtown, man. I'm going to share this with him.
Yeah.
It's Jinjin.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's what I called Marvin the day. And I said, Marvin, you know, say, one about Trenchtown, I'm going to buy some groceries and bring up with Jinjin and give him a check.
And Jinjin never knows, so you get the $100.
No.
So you could have spent, I don't know nothing about it. But that's what the goodness say,
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And I see him take Mike Flex, and Michael Flex say, you know, enough man that take the money and go floss and do what he want to do. But you, this time say you want to help a friend with it. So it's from there now I make the first video with Ginger after I went shopping, buy the groceries, then I went and video in place and condition and give him the money and give him the grocery. So from there, the videos touch a lot of people around the world.
And if you're watching one of where the videos are, tell them the name of the YouTube page.
Yeah, it says Kino Life in Jamaica. So this is
K, I see there, so you see it's right here. So
K-I-N-O.
Yes,
Life in Jamaica.
So you can go there and see
all the videos.
All the videos. I mean, it's going up to 200 videos now. Yeah. Way over 100 videos. And listen, why when my wife said I had to trench song, I said, yeah, trench song really said, no, Kino. She associated Kino with this initiative. I'm gonna say, yes, Kino. I wake up early and I call Kino and say, look here, we come from Trenchon, so it's personal. It's personal for me now. Me Bannon at 23rd Street. Tell them my number.
19th Street.
So I ride cross on my gate on the same street. You know, when me Bannon growing up, more know him mother, you know, because them time there, you know what I mean? Because remember say, you understand, I'm a little older.
Yeah.
You understand?
Not a big older.
Yeah, not a big older. Not a big older. So it was really personal for me to say, you know what, we really should really help him with a contribution. So when you support this show this year, Christmas Comedy Cook-Up Edition, when you buy your tickets online, know that you're also helping me to support them. Because let me tell you something, they have houses that they have built for costs like, give me an idea for cost, average cost.
Like $500,000.
$500,000, that's 500,000, that's about less than 5,000 US, you know what I mean? And we are offering tickets for $19.99. Matter of fact, this weekend it's $9.99. That means you buy one ticket, it's a family show. Let me tell you a secret, don't tell somebody, right? If you are in a family of 5 and you buy a one ticket, just turn on your laptop or your TV and watch a show, all 5 of you. Shh, don't tell them say I tell you. Normally when the show keep live, 5 persons will come at the gate, you cannot come in on one ticket. You have to buy 5 tickets. But this way, so it's a good deal. Not only is it a good deal, it's a good cause. First and first, we go on there, we see it live, so we know what the conditions are. And James was the first one, and they have helped a number of persons. So when you help us, we can help them. You know? So this year, bear in mind when you buy the tickets, you're also supporting us to support them. Thank you very much, Kino.
So all the people that is crippled, you help?
You want to help people?
No, I'm just trying to say for the people in a wheelchair.
No, the people more than less fortunate condition.
Okay.
You know, like the prior, like obviously, you know, a lot of people in Trenchtown need
Stick up here. People, let me say this slowly. We come from Trenchtown. Trenchtown, inner city, Garrison, Ghetto, anywhere they want to describe it. But it's not an area that is affluent. So an area that, I mean, there are people in there with needs. Yeah. So when you talk about the less fortunate, it's already a place where the less fortunate live. So yeah, like when we talk about uptown people in the ghetto, you know what I mean? So I mean, when man's the less fortunate, trust me, so it's like each one help one. I have relatives down there, you know what I mean? Trust me.
I have relatives up there as well, you know.
Yeah, so it's personal for me, you know? And Trenchtown is a place, Trenchtown is a place where it's special because it has given birth to some tremendous talent all over the world. Talents like Fancy Cat. I mean,
talent like IT.
You understand? I said talent like Kino, like Rosa Rose. You understand? No, we're not saying. We don't want to say. So I'm glad you clarified that. Ask the question like that.
Yeah, you know what we got.
So the thing is though, it's not only people in wheelchair. Anybody who.
As I said, people are less fortunate, meaning that even though you're living at the ghetto, you're below the standard at the ghetto. You're way down where you're at a point where you can't even help yourself.
Right.
In a wheelchair, or you make your house in a state where a little breeze no right now blow. You know, so you try to build a house, That's a cool. I'm thinking about. I was up there the other day with them. And I see a bill of house, a little virgin where you said you used to live in a shop. See Prince. You see my big up Prince, I see you do the cutting the other day. You know, so big up to them on your way now. Just now, I ask him if he get any youth and say, one but the girl don't know.
Don't tell her, don't tell her. Don't tell her. What's your current project? Come on the time carefully. What's your current project?
There's a lady in 2nd Street, her name is Natisha.
7 children?
Yeah, she got 3 kids and basically she's living in an abandoned toilet.
Seems like them thing every time.
So she try to make it comfortable for she and her 3 kids. She cleaning up the feces from outside and the column that was in the toilet and try to make it one. But it's got no windows. It's got no windows. So.
People are going to put up some pictures on our community tab to show you some before and some after, so you see it's a real situation. So this year we thought about it and said that is it. We're gonna contribute towards Keener Life in Jamaica and his efforts, his initiative to help and support those less fortunate. And it's like he has been helping so many different people and he's not stopping anytime soon. So the more we support him, the more he can continue. So big up yourself, Kino.
Yeah.
And thank you for coming through.
I realize everybody keep on a look there, so the camera rush around.
Oh, true, man. That's true. Thank you, brother. That's a road to Sorry, people. I'm looking at you. Yes. But you can check out his page. You see the videos, they are right there, so you can see all the
efforts. Again?
It says Kino Life in Jamaica. Yes.
One word?
On YouTube. Yes, there's one word. Kino Life in Jamaica, YouTube. You can also watch it on Facebook as well to Kino Life in Jamaica. Instagram, the same thing. So it's Kino Life.
And this is my show, so big up the show, because I show you supporting the Christmas.
Yeah, so for big up the Christmas comedy cookout.
Yeah.
2020, the virtual edition.
Yes.
You know, with IP and Fancy Cat.
And Wally Moore, I'll tell them about them.
Wally Moore.
I'll tell them about them. Don't move.
So don't move.
You understand?
So this is my mask. Me get my mask.
Yeah.
I'm well protected now.
With that life and the people.
Yeah. So big up to all.
I will keep the link. So we're bringing him here so you can see who we're going to be supporting and things. Alright? So Kino, bless up big up. I will keep the link here, so strength, you know? So people in this season of cheer will have to bring cheer, like CHEER. You know what I mean? So when you see him sitting in cheer, is that we're just trying to bring cheer to a community.
Your mask.
I'll
tell you.
Mask.
Alright. Alright, well I know tune. Alright. When I think of all the curry goat, oh God, them never want me fi vote. Give thanks unto the Almighty One. Him show me everything. He'll say, you not fi walk late, boy. Them out of your gate, boy. This are the next dub plate. Donald, Trump will make you back so Donald.
Look here, that's what this is going on. We are joking, you understand? Thank you. Rosa was look here. Rosa was he'll be on the show, of course, this year. He hasn't been there for some time. But I tell you, no, that's not true. Rosa has been there. Even last year he was there.
Yeah.
Right, you know? But he's one of those feature acts, because Rosa, and of course my next guests are stalwarts, featured acts in the Item Fancy Cat show. You know, Item Fancy Cat.
I'm going to free up the stage because you have to be social in this time.
Yes.
There's a letter.
That person in, yes.
No gathering, no saltfish, no widoring, no banana, no dumpling, no yellow yam, no coming auntie.
Thank you very much, Rosa. That's Rosa. Some people always say Rosa was like, now look here, people, roll of applause. Roll of applause. You better turn there, and get ready, Come on, what's up, me sing, man? You better turn. Go. From top, Rosa. Go on, Rosa.
Stand there and get ready. You better get ready, and when you get ready, let's go.
Go crazy. Really go crazy.
Oh God,
go crazy.
Actually, you take a
go crazy.
Hi people.
Go crazy.
How are you doing?
Idea fancy get. Can't be easy. Get to one.
Me not look too worse, you know.
No, not to say.
No, the people them not gonna say Miss Jennifer. This Miss no good.
Come people.
You really look nice, not true. All fixed up and nice.
Miss Jennifer is here. All the Miss Jennifer fans who ask for her, she is here.
I me, come in like me.
Me I tell you, say, no, it's different. You know what I mean?
You look pretty. So me say, for comedian.
The what?
So me say, comedian supposed to ugly. She say, yes. Look on fancy girl.
I'm going to give you a chance to ask the next question courtesy of KFC.
I live on come.
Well, leave it alone.
I take from a shine.
Leave it alone. So Rosa is here. Okay, let me bring Sorry, I'm bringing Cathy. I'm bringing Cathy. Was I see last month? I say people also was on the show.
Yeah.
Make sure to buy the tickets. Look here, it's a weekend sale, $9.99. It happens right now.
It's Aquino.
Yeah.
God bless me, I say, but you don't look too bad.
Yes, I'm telling you.
You don't look too bad, Kino. God bless you. You're married, don't? No? This ladies is not married. Why?
You know,
take it.
Him take it. You better make sure say it because I know she a watch. Because I know she a type in the chat. Big up yourself, Lady Kino. You will be Mrs. soon.
Hey, listen.
One of the person on the live said, what was Jennifer look good man? She come out like rotten teeth. I
can't say. I can't tell you to say so. I say so.
She said you come out like ranty, don't get the black you are.
Well, Cathy, here it is. Ask the question. That's how we look at it.
Alright, Stacey.
Yes.
This is the question for you.
Yes.
What is my real name?
Sita, no. What is her real name?
What is my name that is on my birth certificate?
You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put the fire in a shot while now. We never put it up before because anyways. Okay, let's get one applause to the winner.
Stacey said, she have the ear for it. Cathy said, Rosa for see. Rub it through the coach. Rub it out.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna worry now. If you want more Boxing Day, 26. Boxing Day. Alright? But we are giving away goodies. How many baskets can give away now? How much we give away? 3?
Girl, that's what she turn off our Christmas tree like the tree now. I'm not bonnet.
Make sure you have tune and Boxing Day.
You don't have to sleep in the park. I got the extra room.
Nobody now come on your yard.
People, this is so, look here, I was talking, this is so kind. Let's see fans get offering an extra to someone in the park. Fans is not in the habit of offering any rooms to anybody.
That's
and
right.
you have to say you don't have to sleep in the park.
With your blanket and a broom. Clean all around them.
Let me ask another question courtesy of Grace Foods, our new sponsor. We've already given away 3 of the baskets. This question now, of course.
There were 3 baskets already?
Yes, the 3. Nevita, Kadisha, and Samantha.
How many of these you give away?
2.
Okay, so you have some more KC bottles we can give away.
Anything from Quartz?
Well, by the way, Quartz is on. We gave away other Quartz last time, do you remember? And on the night of the show, right, Ms. Producer? We have some big announcement to, we're on TV live, you know. We have some big announcement to make.
Yes.
That is going to come from Quartz. Last year we gave away a brand spanking new Smart TV. You know, Smart TV you can log on. Matter of fact, Smart TV you can log on and watch Christmas Comedy Cook-Up online. And that's nice. Remember they watch it on the big TV. So the TV we gave last year now, when can I explain it real? You cannot watch certain movie with that movie. You can't watch a Western and go to the fair and then find the gun to the script. You have to duck. You understand? You have to duck. Like, some people don't understand those TV. Titanic? That's a part. No.
But the water come now, you should think and rain and fall again.
No, it's that's TV. That TV they have the way the vision where you have to
Very cheap.
You say they get like the girl them, say we love them, they forget one of them. Anyone can get one. Anyone can get one. You have a ticket. You have a ticket.
That's right.
After ticket. Yes. Spurhome.com/cookup. You know you can watch it the same place. You realize say if you a couples don't have to buy. You realize say I think I'm gonna buy 2 things for my mother and father. Me not even tell her yet. And she have to buy it. Don't think it. Shh. Don't tell her.
I tell you. But I don't know if you read the news one day about America banned Renita Adams and the entire family.
I heard the news, Fancy Cat. I was saying if they made a mistake when they called the name, because I was working at the US Embassy.
Yeah?
So when I go to the airport, in order to go through now, I have to make sure I am wearing my mask. Because when I'm wearing my mask, sometimes the criminals don't recognize it's me.
That's right.
So I can get to screech up.
Tell them one more time.
People, Boxing Day, December 26th. It's all in repeat. We are just joined
early edition 999.
We have Kathy Grant, we have Jay Martin, ITN Fancy, the king of Caribbean comedy, Oliver Samuels. We have Delia Harris, Gina Brian, we have Blacker Ellis the Maya Show, Christopher Johnny Daly, Curly Roberts, and of course it's Curly Roberts' first time too. So it's a mixed bag we give you. Rosa, and of course the year-to-year Leighton Smith.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.